Okay, let us start the next topic. Greedy method algorithm. Okay, greedy method algorithm is one of the strategy to solve the problem. Okay, so what is the difference between greedy algorithm and divide conquer algorithm? So these are the types of algorithm to solve the problems. That means referred to as a strategy. So what do you mean by strategy? Strategies solve the problem. Okay, so the next method is greedy method algorithm. Okay, so greedy method algorithm to making the locally optimal choice at each stage with the hope of finding the global optimum. Okay, so listen here. Then here to mention the two main points, that is locally optimal choice and global optimum. So these are the main concept because greedy algorithm method based on the optimization problems. Okay, so if you have any optimization problems, so we must use greedy method algorithm is the best method to solve that problem. So okay, so greedy algorithm is based on the optimization problems. Okay, so the problems on which greedy approach work has two properties are there. One is greedy. Okay, greedy, that means choice property. A global optimum can be arrived at by selecting a local optimum. Okay, so greedy method algorithm to following two properties are there. One is greedy, then another one is optimal substructure. Okay, so first one greedy, that means choice property. A global optimum can be arrived at by selecting a local optimum. That means global optimum and local optimum. So the same concept, similar processing from divide and conquer algorithm. That means a biggest problem. That means it can be break into different sub problems are there. Okay, so each and every sub problems are referred to as local optimum. Okay, so lot of problems are there. Then after to analyze these problems, then we can select which one is the best solution to that problem. Okay, so that is a optimal solution. So these are the optimal local optimum. Then after to find the global optimum. So that is the concept of local optimum and global optimum. Okay, so can you understand this concept? Choice property, that means global optimum can be arrived from the local optimum. That means local optimum means sometimes two solutions or more two or three solutions are there. Then after we are conclude these three optimal solution to get the global optimum. Okay, so then second concept is optimal substructure. An optimal solution to the problem contains an optimal solution to the subproblem. Okay, optimal solution means, so we can consider the more than one solution to conclude which one is the best solution from the subproblems. Okay, that is the optimal substructure. The next, what are the application used greedy algorithm, greedy method algorithm? Okay, so different applications are supporting to greedy algorithm. Okay, so activity selection problem, Huffman coding, job sequencing problem, fractional knapsack problem, Prim's fractional knapsack problem, and Prim's minimum spanning tree. So these are the different problems using greedy method algorithm. So that is supporting to solve these type of problems. Okay, the next concept is algorithm analysis optimization problems. Okay, so what is optimization? First, to understand what is the concept of optimization. Okay, so a problem, that means it contain maximum or maximize or minimize solution. So solution is containing that type of process or problem. Okay, a problem, it can require minimize or maximize solution is called optimization. That means the technique. Okay, so optimization is a problem, it contain maximize value or minimum value. So that is a solution of that problem. So that technology is called, or the technique is called optimization problem. Okay, then how can analyze the optimization problems in your algorithm? So first one, a problem that may have many feasible solutions are there. Okay, so first to analyze algorithm. Okay, then how can find the optimize, if it is optimization problem or optimization present or not. Okay, so first you can get the algorithm, then first to analyze. Okay, then what is the first point? Then to find if any feasible solution is there. Okay, then after to find the value of each solution. Then next find if it is maximization problem or minimization problem. So if it is maximization, then to find the solution of maximize value. If it is minimization problem, then you can find the solution of minimize value. Okay, so these are the analysis main points of algorithm. Okay, so this is the analysis of optimization or not. Okay, the next algorithm analysis, greedy algorithms. Okay, many optimization problem can be solved using greedy approach. Okay, so if it is the optimization problem is there, we must use greedy method is the suitable method to solve that problem. Okay, the basic principle of greedy method is optimal decision. Optimal decision. Okay, then greedy approach lead to optimal solution for all problems. Okay, then next slide I can give an example diagram how can understand the optimal solution, what is optimization, what is feasible, and what is the optimal solution. Okay, then let us see the diagram. So here P is a problem. Okay, P is a problem. B is a biggest problem. So what is the example of that problem? That means the point A can travel through travel through some, then to reaching at the point B. Okay, that means a person can travel A to B. That is a problem. Okay, so a person can use different solutions are there. Okay, then he can go through auto rickshaw, go through bike, go through car, go through bus, then go through train, go through flight. Okay, or any solutions, because a person can using many solutions are there. Okay, then afterward, then here then we want to find which solution is the best solution. Okay, so here to apply particular condition. Okay, then we can save the time, then we can save the cost. Okay, the minimum cost is better to solve the problem. Okay, so sometimes it can lot of amount, car, auto rickshaw, bike, okay, anything. Then train, this is train. S5 solution is go through train, and S6 is go through flight. Okay, so sometimes the train charges are smallest charge, that means minimum cost. Okay, the flight is also, then we can reach at very fast using these two travels. Okay, train and flight. Okay, the train is a minimum cost, but flight is a maximum cost. Okay, so these are the feasible solutions. Okay, these are the feasible solution, that means best solution to solve the problem. So that solutions are called feasible solution. Okay, so biggest problem here to find. Okay, here to find the best solution, then we can select two solutions are there. So that solutions are, we can reach very fast from one place to another place. So that is a feasible solution, but we can use only one solution is the best solution. So that is the global solution, global optimum. Okay, so here take two solutions. So these two solutions can satisfy the condition. Okay, what is the condition? We get 12 hours. 12 hours take to travel from one point to another point. So which solution is satisfied? Which solution is satisfy that criteria or condition? So that solution is called feasible solution. Okay, feasible, sorry, optimal solution. Optimal solution. Okay, first you have a biggest problem, then after to find more than one solution about that problem, then we can analyze these all solutions to find which one is the minimum cost of that solution, then we can conclude two solutions, that is S5 and S6. So that is a feasible solution. Then after we can conclude only one solution is the best solution to solve the problem. Then after to consider, so what is the concept here, then to apply some constraint. Okay, so which solution can satisfy that constraint, so that solution is called optimal solution. Okay, so these are the feasible solution. Then after we can conclude which one is the best solution, that is a optimal solution. Okay, optimal solution. So the process is called, that means the technique is called optimization. Okay, so the problem, what is optimization? Once again I repeat this definition. Optimization is which consists of minimize or maximize solution about that problem. So that technique is called optimization. Okay, so this is the technology used in greedy method algorithm. The main concept of greedy method algorithm is to solve the optimization process, then after to refer the what is feasible solution, then how can find the optimal value. Okay, then here to give the algorithm about greedy method, then greedy of a comma n. A is a problem, n is size of the algorithm, then suppose a equal 5. Okay, then we can divide it into 5 values are there, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. So these are the 5 values of size n. Okay, then first you have a problem is a is a problem. Okay, then for I equal 1 to n, x equal select of a. Okay, so a is a problem. Then after to analyze the problem, then we can find more than one solution are there. So first you select the first solution, that means a1. Then select, if it is feasible, then solution equal solution plus x. Okay, then if it is so, you can select one by one. Then after to find if the solution is feasible or not. Okay, then after to find if it is feasible solution, then next to find which is the optimal solution, then which global optimum. Okay, so these are the algorithm steps to solve the greedy method algorithm. Okay, so greedy algorithms are simple and straightforward. Say short sighted their approach, the sense that they take decision, basic informations to hand without worrying about. So these points are no need to write. Okay, so what is the main concept of greedy method algorithm? The last point is that many problems cannot be solved correctly by greedy approach, because greedy algorithm only used for the optimization problems. Okay, so these 2 points no needed to write. Okay, because there is no concept is there. Okay, so the main concept of greedy method algorithm is to solve the optimization process, then after to define what is feasible solution, what is optimal solution, then what is optimization technique. Okay, then after to give one example about greedy method algorithm. Okay, so I think you can understand this concept. If you have any doubt, then you can ask through Google Meet. Okay, thank you.